Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in OBS, connect the mic and confirm Windows or Mac OS sees it. In OBS, add an audio input capture source and pick your device. This tells OBS where sound comes from. Once done, add desktop audio for system sounds or a virtual cable if you route app audio. Make sure the sample rate in settings right arrow audio matches your OS. Mismatches cause clicks. Now you have sources, we'll configure levels and routing next. You'll use the mixer to balance sources. Solo the mic, speak at performance volume, and pull the fader until peaks sit around -6 to -3 dB. This prevents clipping while keeping headroom. Add a noise gate to remove background hum, a compressor to even dynamics, and gentle gain only if needed. Avoid excessive boost. Then assign each source to its own output track in advanced audio properties, so you can export or mute tracks later without re-recording. Start a short test recording and listen back critically. Verify clarity, consistent volume, and that no source bleeds onto another track. Choose output format. MKV preserves all tracks, WAV for single-track audio exports. Make sure to disable exclusive mode in audio device properties to avoid driver conflicts, and update or reinstall drivers if audio drops or stutters. If you hear latency or echo, check monitoring settings and virtual cable routing. Resolve those, then record your final take.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.